Assalamu alaikum sisters, today I want to speak directly to you. Many Muslims are caught in a cycle of expectations, routines, and limitations. They live their lives for others, follow what is familiar, and hold back their true potential. But you don't have to stay there. You were created to shine, to make a positive impact, and to live with purpose both in this world and for the Akhirah. Today is the day to break that circle and step into your power. First, recognize the circle. Ask yourself, am I living for myself, or am I following what others expect from me? Am I letting fear, doubt, or societal pressure hold me back? Are my days filled with action that benefits me or just routines that drain me? Many women get stuck here because it's comfortable. The familiar feels safe, but nothing extraordinary happens in comfort zones. If you want to stand out, you have to first see the cage and then choose to step out. Practical tip: write down the things that repeat in your daily life but don't help you grow. Even one small awareness is the start of change. Second, build skills and independence. Empowerment starts with skills. Skills are freedom, they give you independence and confidence. Ask yourself, what am I passionate about? What can I learn that will allow me to earn, help others, or grow? Whether it's teaching, writing, designing, sewing, programming, public speaking, or running a business, start small but start now. Skills allow you to earn for yourself, not just for someone else. They allow you to invest in your future and in your Akhirah. Practical tip: pick one skill, dedicate 30-60 minutes today to start learning it. Small steps every day build unshakable independence. Third, knowledge and faith. Empowerment isn't just worldly, it's spiritual. Knowledge of the Deen strengthens your heart, guides your actions, and keeps you grounded. Knowledge of the world gives you confidence and opens opportunities. Read Quran, Hadith, or Islamic books. Seek courses, mentorship, or online learning. Strengthen both your mind and your iman. Remember, a Muslimah who combines faith, knowledge, and action shines from the inside out. People notice her calm, confidence, and clarity of purpose. Practical tip: set aside 15-30 minutes daily to read or study something meaningful, something that grows your faith or your skill. Fourth, character and influence. Standing out isn't just about what you do, it's about who you are. Character is what people remember. The Prophet said, "The best of people are those with the best character." A Muslimah who stands out is patient and kind, even when tested, treats everyone with respect, without seeking praise, lifts others while pursuing her own. Growth. When your actions reflect sincerity, humility, and integrity, you inspire without trying to impress. Practical tip: perform at least one small act of kindness or patience today. Smile, help, advise, or support someone intentionally. Fifth, take purposeful action. Empowerment is about action. Knowledge and faith are only as powerful as the steps you take. Earn independently for yourself or to invest in your Akhirah. Volunteer, teach, or share your skills for a greater purpose. Plan your growth, skills, career, charity, self-development. Every step you take with intention is a step toward independence, purpose, and barakah. Practical tip: today, write down one concrete step toward independence. Even something small counts: starting a course, offering a service, or saving for a goal. Sixth, overcoming fear and limiting beliefs. Fear is the biggest circle that keeps women trapped. Fear of failure, fear of judgment, fear of stepping out. Remember, Allah does not burden a soul beyond what it can bear. Every skill you learn, every act of worship, every step toward independence is supported by Allah. You were created to thrive, not to blend in. You were created to shine, not to hide. Fear is natural, but courage is your choice. Practical tip: whenever fear arises, say, Allah is with me. I will take the step He has prepared for me. So today, make a choice. Break the circle, learn a skill, and become independent. Invest in knowledge and faith. Strengthen your character. Take purposeful action. Be the Muslimah who stands out not for worldly applause, but for honor, barakah, and impact. Inspire others, honor your Deen, and live with purpose. The world doesn't need another woman who follows the crowd. It needs a Muslimah who shines with faith, grows with knowledge, and acts with courage. Step forward, begin today, and watch your life transform both in this world and in the Akhirah.